Hey word workers, welcome to WordWork for another lesson on base words. In this video, you will learn some words related to one base word. Let's get started exploring the exciting world of base words. The base word in this video is load. Here are some words related to the base word. Arm load, bus load, car load, caseload, download, freeload, loaded, loading, loads, offload, overload, preload, shipload, unload, upload, workload. Now learn how to use each word in a sentence. This is my last load of laundry for today. She carried an armload of groceries into the kitchen. A busload of tourists visited our town. The carload of friends went on a road trip. The lawyer has a large caseload of documents to review. He clicked the button to start the download of the file. It is not fair to freeload off your friends all the time. The truck was loaded with boxes of goods for delivery. They were busy loading the moving van with furniture and boxes. There were 2 loads of laundry to be done. The workers helped to offload the boxes from the truck. Don't overload the dishwasher with too many items. The latest computer software is preloaded on the new laptop. The port was filled with a shipload of containers waiting to be unloaded. They worked together to unload the truck. She clicked the button to upload her photos to social media. We have a heavy workload this semester. Now let's review. Load, armload, busload, carload, caseload, download, freeload, loaded, loading, loads, offload, overload, preload, shipload, unload, upload, workload. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.